Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tamara here with another Vlogmas video, guys. Yay! So guys, in my last video I mentioned about unboxing my Amazon packages, so that's what we're doing today. Yay! Anyways, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. So let's just jump right into the video, guys. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Oh, these are heavy. 6, 7 package to go through. Okay. All right. So we are going to start with these. Oh my God! I need to get like a thumbnail. So guys, I ordered some family outfit, Christmas outfit. I'm not sure what is in the package because I ordered a few stuff and I'm not sure what is here from what's not. Okay, so we're just whatever I'm seeing it the first time you're seeing it. Okay, so let's see what's in this package. Oh, this is a bra. I ordered this white half. No strap, sorry, no strap bra. It looks big though. Well, it do comes with straps. So this is it. Imagine the first thing I pull out is a bra. So this is it. This looks bigger than me though. Like, looks pretty big. It's supposed to be a 34B. Well, yep, it is a 34B. Looks big though, but it's cute. Put that over here. Okay, next thing we're gonna open is this one. So let's see what's in here. So excited. You know that exciting? Oh yeah, this is the family Christmas outfit. Woo! So what I did, guys, I actually ordered them separately. I ordered a few of them, but I didn't order everything in one order because of the shipping. Because of shipping purposes, my shipping company will charge you a fortune if the invoice is over $50. So I placed 2 orders. Okay, so this is it. Wow, let's see if it looks like the picture. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh yeah. So it says Merry Christmas with some reindeer thingy going on here and the reindeer nose. So this is cute. Yeah, that's cute. And this is the pants. Oh my God! Oh, so this is these outfits is for Christmas Day. So we'll be dressed in our Christmas pajamas. Oh my God! So this is the same thing. Wow! I'm gonna try it. Be right back. So guys, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Hey, hey. Oh my God, guys! I think I'm definitely feeling this Christmas vibe now. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. What come next? I don't remember. So this is it, guys. Yo, I think I'll be like a hot girl, okay? I feel like everything I wear, I tied it up. Listen, this is how I'm wearing my pajama, okay? Oh my God. Okay, I'll show you guys the bottom. Starting from the bottom now, yeah. Am I not too nice this year? Okay. This have a buzz, okay? This have a buzz. Okay, so the next thing I got is this package. Let's see what's in here. Also, guys, I will put a link, my affiliating link in the description below. If you guys are interested in any one of these items, you can go ahead and purchase. Ooh. Ooh. It's the Santa hat! Yay! So I bought some Santa Claus hat also to go with the pajama. Yes. Oh yay! Christmas is here. Okay, let's see. Oh, my bun is so high. Okay, I think I should wear this like this. Like this is my attire for the rest of the video. Okay. Let's see if I can fix this. Like give it a little nice little look. This hat is actually really nice. Actually, it's really nice. The fur. Ooh, it's good quality too, guys. This is so nice. Look at this. This is really nice. Okay. All right. So let's check out what's in this box. All right. That nervous feeling you get when you're unboxing your stuff. I'm doing this right now. Oh God. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is not another box. Must be pretty delicate. So what are you guys? You guys are naughty or nice this year? Let me know. Super excited about this one actually. Oh my god, look at this. I didn't know it was here already. Oh my god, this one is a surprise. Oh my god, guys, look at the luxury. So this is a perfume tray. Like it's like glass in the inside, and you just need to rip this blue paper off and then the glass will reveal, but I kind of don't want to do it right now. Let me show you guys like that. So this is like a really luxury perfume tray that I always wanted, and I finally bought it. So I'll put all my perfume. Also, I will be doing a video like that, show you guys all my luxury perfumes. So let me just delicately put this over here. This actually, I think that should be like a Christmas gift to myself. You know what I'm saying? All right, so we have 3 more to go. Okay guys, so let's see what's in this one. Super, I feel like this is the other sets of family outfit. Am I not supposed to cut it? Oh my god, I think I cut it. Cut it. Yes, it is. So this is the rest of the outfits. These are so nice. Like, I'm really satisfied with these purchases so far, okay? All right, so let's jump into the big boxes. I think I have an idea what's in these boxes because I got some gifts for my niece. Hey Natoria! So as you guys know, Natoria is my niece, more like my daughter. She's the closest thing to a daughter to me, so I love her endlessly. So I got her some gifts. You know what the thing is, my niece's birthday and Christmas is a day apart. Sure, so Christmas is 25th and her birthday is the 26th, so she always gets a lot of gifts. So I bought 2 gifts, one for Christmas and one for birthday. Natoria, when you get older, there's no more gifts. There's no more 2 gifts. There will gonna be 1 gift. So let's see if this is our gift. Actually, I was supposed to, well, she was supposed to come for Christmas, but because of Corona, she can't come. So I was supposed to go there for her graduation and stuff like that, but I can't go because they have Antigua have a 1-week quarantine, and she lives in Antigua, guys. So I don't know how I'm gonna get these to her, but I think I'm gonna try to see if I can find a shipping company and ship them to Antigua so she can have her gifts for Christmas and for birthday. Oh my God, yes, this is actually her gift. Oh my God, Tori, you're like a spoiled child. Oh my God. So this is it. So guys, if you guys are like, this is a playhouse. I'll put a picture. Okay, I'll put a picture at the side and show you guys what it looks like when it's already made. It looks like this. So she can put this inside her room and put like, it comes also with some pepper lights, and she just put inside her room, put some teddy bears, the lights are around it so it lights it up inside, and she can have this as her playroom, her reading room, her personal space, just like her being a little princess kind of space, you know what I'm saying? So I saw it, I'm like, oh, I think Tori will like this. So yeah, Tori, your gift is here. I hope you're not watching this though, because you're not supposed to know what your gifts are. All right, so that's that. And guys, remember, I will put a link that if I could find a link, like affiliating link for all of these stuff, guys, I will be putting it in my description, so go ahead and check that description out if you guys are wondering what to get your daughter for her birthday or your son, because they do have some for boys too, so you guys can definitely go check it out. I think I'm gonna do a video for, like, I don't know, gifts ideas, and I don't know, let's see. Yeah, so let's see what, this is the last box, guys, so let's see what's inside here. I wonder if this is Tori's other gift. Oh yes, I think it is. Oh, I think it is. This is big. This is actually the heaviest one. Oh my God, I'll be struggling. Oh yeah, it is pretty heavy actually. Wow. Yes, it is. So guys, I got her this art set. This art set gift. So it has, I'll put a link right here with everything. It has, it's really heavy actually. It has 162 pieces. So you have, let's see what comes in it. Like crayon, markers, paints. They don't even like list the stuff on the box, like everything, so I can tell you guys exactly what comes in it. But oh yeah. So it comes with 60 crayons, 24 oil pastels, 24 colored pencils, 24 watercolor cakes, and 3 mixing palettes, 2 paint brushes, 2 sketch pencils, 1 pencil sharpener, 1 eraser, 1 sandpaper block. What is that? 1 hood case, 2. I'm gonna see if I can open it though and show you guys inside it, because I'm curious myself. I can't just ship this off to her and nothing, like get the pleasure of seeing what's in it. So let me just fast. Okay, so here we go. Oh my God, Tori, imagine I'm revealing your gift to the world. So, do you have this? I think this is to put the paint in and do the little heart thing going on. These are the brushes, the paint brushes. This is one of the sketchbooks. Sketchbook, watercolored book. Guys, I will definitely recommend this. Tori is, oh, also guys, my niece, she's going to be 5. She's 4 now, heading into 5. So this is what it looks like. And this is a wooden case, guys. I don't want to pull this because I don't want to like give her it like that. So I want to keep it like this. But guys, this is what it looks like. So this is the case that the crayons in. So it's like a wooden, like really good sturdy material, guys. I don't think Tori can like break this. Okay, so this is really nice. I would definitely recommend, oh wait, this way. I will definitely recommend this gift, guys. This is super cute. Well, I guess everything that I got her is super cute. Oh my god, yeah. Okay guys, so this is the end of this unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. And guys, be safe and have a Merry Christmas when it comes. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.